a car that doesn't run very well, right? And then what you want is you want it to perform really well. So you take it to a mechanic, right? You take it to the mechanic, and it's got engine problems, it's got timing problems, transmission problems, all this stuff is wrong with it. And then you take it to the mechanic, and then the mechanic goes, yeah, I see, it's not running too good. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Let's pop all the dents out of the car. All right? So they put all, then they say, okay, let's repaint the car. And they repaint it nice and red, right? Then they say, okay, let's put bigger tires on your car. They put bigger tires, and then put chrome rims, right? And a spoiler. And they put all this stuff to make it look fast on the outside, right? Then you pay the guy and you take it, and then you go and you put it into the race, and it still runs like crap. Even though it looks on the outside like it's going to perform awesome, right? And to me, structure isn't the stuff that you see on the outside. Structure is all the parts of the engine and transmission that's on the inside. You can't see it, right? But this is where the mechanic fixes your problems, right? So then when he tinkers with that and he fixes the engine, maybe a bigger engine, bigger transmission, and he gets the timing right, replaces parts. Then when the inside is good, then he closes the hood. The outside still looks like junk, right? It still doesn't look very good. But then when you start the car, you put it in a race, man, it performs, right? So to me, that's structure. It's being able to create something on the inside that you can always rely on when you need it to perform, right? If you just tack on a lot of technical stuff on the outside, then maybe the thing that's going to supply those arms with power, then it's not going to be there, right? Then you're going to have to rely on a lot of athleticism, and that becomes a problem, right? It will work some of the time if you're faster than the guy, if you're stronger than the guy, or you're younger and more aggressive than the guy. But the problem is that when you get that person in front of you who's like Dave, who's a big mountain, you're not going to win. He's going to just go, rah, rah, right? And then you're screwed, right? So you got to rely on a different power source.